Hello everyone, this is Max, and what I'd like to do today in this video is discuss how to create a bitcoinCash paper wallet. A bitcoinCash paper wallet is similar to other cryptocurrency wallets. You use it to hold and to send and receive bitcoinCash coins, or Bitcoin Cash coins that you can use for sending, receiving money, digital money. So, if that wasn't a tongue twister and that didn't get you confused, let's go ahead and get started. So, if you'll remember in our last video, and if you did not see that video, you can go to it again. I'll include it in the link in the description. It was a video of how to create a paper wallet for just Bitcoin. And it's going to be similar to that video. The only difference is this is going to be a paper wallet for bitcoinCash. We're going to be going to the same site and doing a similar thing. So we'll go ahead and go over how to make two different types of paper wallets for bitcoinCash. So, if what you need to do is go to your favorite browser, open it up, then you'll need to go to this website, and yes, I will include this website address in the description. All right. And if you recognize this, this is where we went to do the paper wallet for Bitcoin. But to go ahead and generate one for bitcoinCash, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And you'll see where it says right here, make your paper wallet today. And either click or right click on the blue button and then choose open link in new tab with the left mouse button. And as you see up here in the tab, this is going to be for bitcoinCash. All right. And then when we go to this page, you're going to see the generator. It's an online generator, and we're going to generate a paper wallet for bitcoinCash. And here we go. We just left click on it, and here it is right here. You watch the percentage right here at the bottom. And in order to generate it, you need to move your mouse around in random directions so that it can go ahead and generate the address for you. Just keep doing it, even if it says 100%, then eventually it'll come up to this page right here. And you'll see it says wallet generated, and then you can go ahead and choose whichever wallet you want. Okay, these are different designs of the same wallet. I'm just going to choose the basic one. I'm just going to left click on, select and continue. And this is your generated bitcoinCash wallet. It's different from the regular Bitcoin. bitcoinCash, I believe you could call it's a fork of Bitcoin. It's supposed to be a more advanced and a better version of Bitcoin. That remains to be seen. I'll let you make the decision on that yourself. But in either case, here you go. You have your public key right here, or your public address on this side. See where my mouse cursor is moving. And then on this side, you have your private key. Now, as I've discussed in several videos, your private key you keep to yourself. You don't give that to anybody. Your public key, if you want to receive bitcoinCash, you're going to give people your public key or your public address. Same thing, public address, public key. You give this to the people if you want to receive money. Okay, this you keep. The private key, you keep that to yourself. You don't give that to nobody. Public key, that means yes, you give that to anybody, every day, all day. All right. And then there are there's some further instructions down here if you want to use it. Now, this is how you generate a Bitcoin wallet online. All right. Now, I'm going to show you the other way, which is safer and more secure. You just scroll down to the bottom of this page, and you'll see over here on the bottom right-hand side, it says GitHub. Left click on GitHub, and it's going to take you to this page, which is their GitHub online account, or their GitHub site. Okay, and from here what we're going to do is we're going to download the bitcoinCash paper wallet generator. All right, and so what you do is you come over here, you'll see this green button right here. Just left click on it, and then you can either copy the address and download it on another page, or what I'm going to do is just download the zip file. Just left click on it, and this is compatible with both Linux and Windows as far as I know. It may even be compatible with Apple, but I've never dealt with an Apple, so I don't know. In either case, you want to choose save the file, click OK, and then you want to choose a place to save it. I'm going to choose the desktop for mine, right? And so you just save it. It's a small enough file. It'll be downloaded here. Yeah, see, it's already downloaded. It's completed. This is the bitcoinCash wallet or paper wallet generator. So we've downloaded it. It's a zipped file, and then we just want to go ahead and close our browser, right? Go ahead and close the browser, because this is going to be done offline. And by offline, I mean at this point what you need to do is you need to, if you're connected to the internet through an Ethernet cable wire, you need to go ahead and unplug it. All right, that's how I'm connected to the internet right now. If you'll see right here where my mouse is down at the bottom right hand side, I'm connected through my Ethernet wired. What I do is I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. Give it a few moments. You're going to see that it's unplugged, and then you're going to see a message. See, it's unplugged, and then you'll see a message up at the top right hand corner that says disconnected, right? Yours will be different because right now I'm on my Linux Mint machine. It'll look a little different for you if you got Windows 10. All right. But in either case, you want to be disconnected. If you're connected through the wireless, then you want to go ahead and disable that. However you do that is different per machine. All right. Again, you just want to make sure, however you're connected to the internet, you are disabled. You are no longer connected to the web. All right. And so then we have over here our generator. And as I said, it's a zip file. So the first thing you want to do is you want to unzip it. Just right click it and choose extract here. Like I say, for your system, you may have a Windows or an Apple. Right click it and choose whatever option there is to unzip it or extract it. And I'm just going to left click, and it happened just that quickly. It has generated the folder, which is unzipped. We're just going to double click with our left mouse on that folder. And this is the source code. You'll see that here. It's a bunch of JavaScript code. But what we want to do, this is what we see when we open up this folder. We want to come over to the generator, right? And so you got several of them. Each one that usually says .html, those are the generators. They're going to reopen up your browser. It's not a big deal. It's supposed to do that, but it's going to open up the browser even though you're offline. That's fine. All you do is choose one or the other. Either one of these will generate your paper wallet for you. And you just double click on it. And here's your generator. As you can see, it looks just like the online one. The only difference is this one is on your computer and then it's generating it offline so that nobody can sniff you or look and see what you're doing while you're online. So this is online. This is offline, excuse me. And as you can see, it did the same thing as it did with the online one. It generated us a wallet. You just go ahead and you choose whichever design you want. Doesn't matter. Again, I'm going to choose the plain one. Left click on it. And as you can see, you have your private key and your public key. So it's the same way as, like I say, the reason why you want to do it this way is, number one, it's offline, which makes it more secure so that you know that no one is looking in on you while you're on the internet. All right. And then from here, you just do what you want. Either you can print this and you can save it as a PDF file, and then you can take that PDF file and save it to a external hard drive offline somewhere. That's what I do. Okay. You probably don't want to keep this on your computer, all right, in case something happens, like you get a virus or some type of a malware or something like that, or someone tries to steal it, or a hacker tries to get it. In either case, you want to keep this in a safe spot, and that's why they call this a paper wallet. It's because you can print it. You can even print it and put it in your pocketbook or your regular wallet, or in your sock drawer, or your pantyhose drawer, whatever you want to do. But this is actually a wallet, a bitcoinCash wallet. You will receive cash or money from your public, right? And that's all you need right there. Your private one is private. You keep that to yourself. So that's how you generate a paper wallet for a bitcoinCash cryptocurrency. So thank you for looking at this video. I hope this video helped you out. I hope it answered any questions you had. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a good day or night. Thank you. Bye-bye.